Hey friends, so for How to Kill a Kit with Style, April 2020, what I am trying to do is get done going through the rest of my page kits that I went ahead and put together for the Nicole Jones 911 Scrapathon 5 class. So, you know, there are full videos for all of these kits. So I think I have like 10 or 12, whatever it is, left of these, like including a bunny one for Easter. So I'm excited about that because, I mean, look at it, it's hilarious and cute. So cute with the bunnies. So I'm going to be still using my page kits, going after it and enjoying them. I have been working through using the same sets of, I'm trying to use the same sets of, what was I trying to say? Oh, like little bits and pieces I have left over that are in my tray, use them up along with my kits. That's a kind of a big thing I have been enjoying. Like I have them all separated out in an iris tray by color. Just those like last couple little pieces I keep finding around my room or at the end of a die cut pack so that I don't just keep putting stuff back in my stash. So I've been working hard at that. I am re-upping my use of rub-ons. I stepped away from that for a minute and I'm going right back to it because I want my rub-ons used up this year. So let me show you these little suckers real quick. These are the ones that I have left that I'm going to be working on for the rest of the year. I know some won't work. Like I've tried some of these and they're awful. So as I go, you know, one by one, I'm using them up. Actually, I keep my rub-ons on my desk, like right here. And I keep them, like I try to have like a black and white one, a metallic one, and one with color. So that anytime that I can add them, I will. So like, for example, this one right here, there's just a little bit of this pink smudgy. If I have a place I can put some pink smudgy, I'll pop it on. So that is my plan. Instead of going to my big pile of rub-ons like you just saw, if I use up what I have, I'll use that and move on to the next ones. So that's how I've been doing that. So I'm going to have my kits, I'm going to have my rub-ons, and what else to tell you? And I've also been trying to stick with the same couple extra alphas. I have a black set in like I have a black set, a pink newsprint set, and a corrugated craft set. So did I say thickers? I meant thickers, you know, like chipboard alphas, whatever you want to call them. So I've been trying to stick to a certain amount of supplies and see if that will give me the proper traction. So this is very short and sweet. My plan is the same as last month. I'm going to get through my kits, be ready to see lots of videos. Oh, and also this entire month, I am playing along with Christy of Christy's Beautiful Life for her 30 days of sketches. So a lot of these kits will be going along with her sketches and then, you know, other challenges and collaborations that I am involved in. So short and sweet, that's a video for today. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask them down below and I'll answer you as soon as I can. Bye, friends.